Welcome back to World History Channel with Upside Down Skyscraper.
Aquarium is built inside the mountain.
It's an experiential space that will change you forever. It's the metaverse that you can physically experience.
Aquarium is an ultra-luxury upside-down skyscraper. The facade's facing inwards instead of facing outwards. Things are inside out and upside down.
Normally architecture is focused to the outside.
As you approach, you first experience the sunken marina. From there, you go through a tunnel.
Once you enter inside this underwater open square, you are in the void. You don't know what's going to happen next. It becomes this sort of magic cube around which everything plays out. And you start to embark on a journey from dark to light.
The more you explore, you start getting glimpses of a hidden world. You'll find everything that you would expect to experience in an urban environment, but in a way that you've never experienced it before. You have residences, you have hotels, cinemas, museums, and the generator, which is this research lab that will attract creators to come and interact and new ideas to emerge. The boulevard in Aquarium is the central spine where all the experiences meet and depart from. An urban environment in terms of networking, of social encounters, spaces to contemplate, spaces to purchase, spaces to eat.
When you arrive at the top, suddenly everything has opened up. The garden is the pinnacle. You're under the sunlight in this beautiful, magnificent cloud garden. And that is something that has the potential to inspire people.
Aquarium is the reset of your curiosity. Taking absolutely nothing and creating something totally new and exciting. Filling that void with experience, technology, possibilities and learning, the scale of which the world has never seen. That's what we've done with Aquarium.